Hello again. I'm going to do another SAAB SID pixel fix in 2 minutes just as before, but this time I'm going to use a complete display instead of a cable for this repair. So this display comes together with this ribbon cable which is already bonded on it. Okay. Just as previously, I'm not going to use any soldering station or bonding machine or T-tip or anything like that, okay? I'm going to use the same old method. So let's start. We have 2 minutes, okay? First I put the cable to the panel and I want to make sure that the pads of the panel match properly and perfectly the pads of the cable. Okay, now I'm going to use this foam spacer which is self-adhesive, so I need to remove this protective backing. I'm going to use this to apply pressure on the contacts, so I just put this thing all along the contacts. That's all. Apply a little pressure. Now I pick the plastic stand that holds the LCD and I'm going to put it back to the original position, and I will pick the 2 screws that I had in the unit and I put these 2 guys back. The right side and then the left side. That's all. Okay, so it looks okay. Yeah, everything looks perfect. What I do now is I connect it to power supply and we will see what we did. Let's see. It looks absolutely brilliant, okay? The contrast is good. All the characters are perfect, so I think we did a great job. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.